before even you start, like managing that process, there's so many possible dimensions which we can actually choose which data. So how do you do the dimension reduction? How do you select which part of the data and pharma you want to tackle?
I see. We decided that if we want to choose one thing that we would like to start with, we focused on the price of the drugs, because it's the area that is not that much regulated as the clinical trials and stuff like that. And it's quite understandable for us if we are approaching. We wanted to start with something. It's not easy, but it's the easier of all of them. The second fact is that the data about drug prices are quite open. And so we decided, let's choose drug pricing and let's aggregate all the data from all the data sources across Europe. Then we added another countries because we learned that not just Europe is providing this data for free. And then we started building data set that contains all information about drug prices. And what is more, we started to discover that it's not just about prices, but about the legal process to get those prices, because it's quite regulated. And we started learning about the industry, and then we started added another approaches and another looks to the data or views of the data.
So just if I understand correctly, just to wrap up for our listeners. So first, you actually looked at all the ways that the pharma companies are using data, and you chose one of the avenues or one part which is accessible. It has an open access to data. It provides a huge value to them, and it's not highly regulated, right?
That's right.